today we're going to read another book on a bit called Birds. Birds make great family pets. Many birds have bright colors. Mia holds her parrot. Some birds can say words. Leo listens to her parakeet. Some birds can't live alone. Lovebirds live in pairs. Birds don't need a large cage. It has to be clean. Birds need a large cage. It has to be clean. Birds need food. They need water. Birds need a place to sit. Wooden sticks works well. They need toys. They like bells, ladders, and swings. Is a bird the right pet for your family? And that's the end of Birds, guys. Don't forget to like, share,